Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, seeing much cooler conditions to start the day this morning as that front has moved through the area. Bringing in that cooler air, we'll also see some unsettled conditions as we move through the day today and into the evening time frame. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we can see that boundary pushed well off to the south and southeast of the area. Seeing some showers kind of through the area with an upper level trough over the region, expecting those to continue as we go through the day, and then we'll see a little enhancement of those showers as we get later in the day and into the evening with the developing area of low pressure just off the coast as we go again into the evening time frame. If we look at the current conditions this morning, we have a few clouds around 4,000 feet, broken at 5,000 feet, overcast at 6,500. 4 miles for visibility and seeing light rain out there. Currently, we're seeing those winds out of the north at 7 knots, temperature at 47 degrees, and relative humidity is at 86%. Looking at the current visible satellite, we see that upper level trough has us in quite the line of some socked-in clouds over the region, expecting those again to stay over the area as we go through the day today with those embedded showers in there as well. If we look at the current radar here, we can see more pronounced showers just off to the northwest, but continued light showers over our local area, and based on the kind of trajectory of these showers moving, expecting those to stick around through the day today. We'll see some of the more pronounced showers drop into the area as we go later in the day, and again likely seeing those enhanced with that developing area of low pressure off the coast. So if we look at the European model here, see how things play out as we go through the day. Again, see a few light showers around this morning. Could see a bit of a break for the early part of the afternoon before we start to get some of that enhancement and some of the rain as we get later in the afternoon and into the evening hours. This is where we'll see our best chance of maybe a few moderate rain showers embedded within some of the overall light rain shower activity that we're expecting as we go through the day. As we go into the evening time frame, as we approach midnight, we'll start to see that area of low pressure tracking further away from the coast. With that, we'll take a lot of the precip activity, most likely tapering off right around or just after midnight, but can't rule out a few lingering showers until around 4 in the morning before we really start to see things clear out, and we'll see some breaks in the clouds, likely starting our day on Wednesday, partly cloudy. So we go through the day on Wednesday as that area of low pressure is off to the east and we have high pressure building into the area. We'll get that enhanced pressure gradient that's going to bring some breezy conditions as we go through the day on Wednesday. Overall, we'll see partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions, but we will see some elevated winds, good chance of seeing a wind advisory as we go through the day on Wednesday. And going into Wednesday evening, we'll see those winds start to calm down a bit, and will allow temperatures to cool off even more. Overall, expecting another cool evening. We'll get close to freezing here at Wallops as we go into the morning of Thursday morning. And then going into Thursday, expecting a overall nice but well below average temperature-wise. But wind should calm down. We should see mostly sunny skies as high pressure takes control of the forecast going into Thursday. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we do have a red risk for precip as we go through till the midnight time frame, when we drop down to a yellow risk just after midnight. Again, expecting these scattered light rain showers to continue as we go through the day today, and with a chance of seeing some embedded moderate rain as we get later in the day and into the evening time frame. Not going to see temperatures move much as we go through the day today. Could see our peak around 52 degrees, mainly later this morning, but we will struggle to get there. But mainly staying between 50 and 52 degrees as we go through much of the day today. And we'll see those winds just slightly breezy out of the north at 8 to 13 knots, peaking around 17 to 18 knots as we go through the day. And then going into the evening, we'll see those gusty winds start to back off a bit with the more widespread rain showers moving into the area. We'll also pick up a yellow risk for reduced ceilings of visibilities with that better chance of a few moderate showers embedded. And as we go through the overnight time frame, as we start to see those clouds break, we'll start to see those winds become a bit more breezy and gustier as we go into the morning hours on Wednesday. We'll see that temperature cool off to around 42 degrees and we'll see those winds picking up out of the northwest at 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 19 knots as we start today on Wednesday. Tides right now are running about a foot above normal, and looking at the next couple of days, we'll see again partly cloudy conditions through much of the day on Wednesday and becoming mostly sunny as we get later in the day. We'll see a breezy day, expecting those winds to be gusting between 25 and 30 knots, so do have that red risk for winds that are above 25 knots. Overall, another chilly day as we continue with a stretch of some below average temperatures, expecting our high around 53 degrees. Going into Wednesday evening, we'll see mainly clear conditions and another chilly evening with just a slight breeze, mainly during the beginning of the evening, and then we'll see those temperatures get close to freezing, expecting a low around 34 at this time. But overall, move back to green conditions for our weather risk, and that continues as we go into Thursday with mostly sunny and another cool day with a high around 55 degrees. That will wrap up the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.